Imagine that each of us has our own unique key to success. That key is hidden in your date of birth. Sounds like magic, doesn't it? But it's not magic. It's numerology, the ancient science of numbers that helps you unlock your potential. In this video, I will explain how you can calculate your financial code and use it to attract luck, wealth, and success. You will learn how the numbers that accompany you from the moment of birth can become your allies on the way to your dreams. If you want to learn how to turn your date of birth into a prosperity formula, stay tuned to the end. This video could change your life. Let's start with the simplest. What is a financial code? It is a number that is calculated based on your date of birth. It reflects your energy related to money and success. For example, let's take the date of birth, 15.03/1990. To calculate the financial code, we add up all the digits. 1 plus 5 plus 0 plus 3 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 0 equals 28. Then we add 2 plus 8 equals 10, and again 1 plus 0 equals 1. The financial code for this date is 1. But what does it mean? Each number from 1 to 9 has a different meaning. For example, 1 symbolizes leadership, independence, and new beginnings. If your code is 1, you can achieve success if you act with courage and confidence. Now let's break down what each number means. 1. Leadership. You create your own opportunities. 2. Harmony. Your success depends on collaboration. Creativity. You attract money through ideas. 4. Stability. Your success is in discipline. 5. Freedom. You achieve success through change. 6. Caring. Your success has to do with helping others. 7. Wisdom. You attract wealth through knowledge. 8. Abundance. You create financial flow. 9. Completion. Your success is in the completion of things. But how do you use this code? For example, if your code is 8, you can activate it by surrounding yourself with symbols of abundance. Wear lucky coins. Use the number 8 in passwords or phone numbers. Let's look at a real example. Imagine your code is 3. That's the number of creativity. You can start a blog, write a book, or create something new. Your ideas can become a source of income. But remember, numbers are not a magic wand. They only show your potential. To succeed, you need to take action. For example, if your code is 4, you must be disciplined and consistent. What if your code is 9? That's the number of completion. Perhaps you need to finish old projects to open the way to new possibilities. Now, let's talk about how to increase the impact of your financial code. You can use affirmations, meditation, or even visualization. For example, if your code is 5, imagine yourself traveling, meeting new people, and finding new sources of income. It's also important to surround yourself with the right numbers. For example, if your code is 7, you can use the number 7 in phone numbers, addresses, or even in choosing dates for important events. Но самое главное — верить в себя. Числа — это лишь инструмент. Ваша вера и действие — вот что действительно важно. Let's remember the history of Steve Jobs. His date of birth is 24.2/1955. Let's add up the numbers. 2 plus 4 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1 plus 9 plus 5 plus 5 equals 28. Then 2 plus 8 equals 10, and 1 plus 0 equals 1. His financial code is 1. This is the number of leadership, and he has indeed become a leader by changing the world of technology. Now imagine that you can use your code just as effectively. You can become a leader in your field, attract money, and achieve success. But how do you get started? First, calculate your code. Then think about how you can use it in your life. For example, if your code is 2, start cooperating with other people. If your code is 6, help someone, and you will see your luck turn around. Remember, numbers are not just numbers. They are the keys to your success. Use them wisely, and you will see your life begin to change. Now let's summarize. Your financial code is not just a number. It is your guide to success. Calculate it, understand its meaning, and start acting on it. And remember, success is not an accident. It is the result of your actions, faith, and the right use of your capabilities. If you liked this video, put a like and subscribe to our channel. We will be glad to see you among our subscribers. Write in the comments what your financial code is and how you plan to use it. If we get 5,000 likes, I will post a video on how to increase the influence of your financial code using numerology. Thank you for being with us. Remember, your success is in your hands. See you in the next video.